pounds.
Oh, okay. And you just inject it?
Britain, in Phyllis, Britain. We live in Honolulu, Hawaii. We have had several experiences before in Africa with different kinds of safari expeditions. One was a major symposium on animal behavior years ago, and we thought we'd like to come back. And when this came up, we saw what was going on with the desert lions on television, and lo and behold, this popped out of anywhere, and we said immediately, we're going to go. That was 3 years ago.
COVID stopped us twice.
Oh, wow.
So we came because we're interested in animal conservation and behavior, as well as photography of the animals, and just the joy of being in a place as wonderful as all this is. And this has really been that kind of an experience. I think to come and just watch the animals is nice, but to experience what we have through understanding behavior, participating
Through AfriCat, it's been extraordinary.
through AfriCat, to experience what we have through the program that's done with darting the animals, replacing collar. It brings a new dimension to it, so it's absolutely wonderful.
Take one leg on your head. Push it up, move, this, okay.
I too, with our medical background, to watch the difference is working with animals, wild animals, in the field, compared to what our previous operating room and anesthesia backgrounds gives us an understanding and a very much an appreciation of how different it is here.